Do you have very old photos in black and white? Don't worry. Watch the video to know how to change it to color. Open Cutout.pro from your browser. This is AI-powered creative visual design platform. Click Product menu. Then click Photo Colorizer. Colorize black and white photos automatically online. Choose any of sample images. Or, click Upload image to use your own image. Your old image is processing now. Your color picture is ready. Download it to your device. Now you can convert your old pictures into color. Make your old memories colorful. Let's see similar website. myheritage.com. See your heritage in color. You can colorize and restore colors from this website. Let's click Upload photo. Select the photo you want to colorize. After successful uploading, now your vintage photo is ready in color. Celebrate your old memories. Download the photo on your device. Another website named hotpot.ai. Upload the image. Adjust the settings. Color your photo. Download it. These 3 websites you can try on Android and Apple iOS devices.